Hello guys, welcome to the learning world of robotics with Robonence. Today we are covering a very interesting project that is bird in a cage. Bird in a cage illusion happens because whenever we see any object, its image is formed in our retina. But when we continuously moves an object, before the first image gets disappeared from our retina, the second image immediately gets appeared. So this illusion happens that both the images appears at the same time. In this principle, we are using two different images. First image is of a bird, you can see, and the second image is of a cage. So first we are using a simple template in which there is a bird and there is a cage. And these are two different images. Now, first we have to, second thing we require is a skewer stick. And the third thing we require is a glue stick. So what we have to do is, first we have to cut this cage in a form of a circle. That is, these perforated lines will be used to cut this cage. Second, we have to cut this bird also in a form of a circle. So we will use these perforated lines as a mark. So I have already done this. I have already cut this bird and a cage. So now what we have to do, we have to place simply a cage and we have to apply some glue on it. I am applying it rigorously. Now, even you have to apply the same glue on the bird. After doing that, you have to place a skewer stick and now you have to place a bird and you have to hold it tightly so that both gets attached with each other. I have already done this. So you will see final product like this. There is a bird on one side and there is a cage on other side. Now, when I rapidly move this bird and a cage, it will get appeared like the bird is inside the cage. I'll show you. So when I continuously move this, you can see that there is a bird inside the cage. Illusion is happening. I hope you have enjoyed this project. So for more fun learning projects, do subscribe us, do like us. We are available on Instagram as Robonence.Innovate. We are also available on YouTube as Robonence Innovate. Thank you.